We are live, my friend.
Okay. Now let me get my notes for class 3.
Okay, so question for part number 3. Define a class, book in stock, which represents a book, and an ISBN number, ISBN, and price of the book as a floating number, price as attributes. Run associated tests. Okay, so represent ISBN, price floating number as attributes. Okay, so I'm going to use GCD HW. There we go. So the code I'm going to use here, Michael, is
That's right.
ISB, excuse me, SBN and price. Save. See what happens when we run this test.
Failed.
Really?
Okay, I think you might have to put the parentheses on the class, inside the class for like class parentheses, ISBN and price. And the class definition.
In here?
Right, the parentheses.
Okay, so add a
ISBN.
parameter.
Lowercase. Common price. So it can be expecting those two variables to create a new book.
Getter setter should be set to ISBN price. Book getter should be able to change price. So I don't understand.
First,
that failed.
I expect the first one to pass.
Yeah, I expected the first one to pass too. But let me just rerun it and see what's going on here. Okay, so let me do this then. Let's do start one. See what happens. Still failing? Hold on. Am I putting this colon in the right place? Is it?
Let me see if I can look at the way I did mine. I think you got it in the right place. I think you had it right
Before. All right.
Yeah, I think you had it right. I wonder if it's an S on excess. Yeah, that's right.
All right, that came up.
And price, colon.
Right, and price colon. And if we wanted to, let's write it out then, right? Attribute. So this is our getter setter method.
That's right.
Successor price. So therefore, we're being explicit.
She is saying wrong number of arguments. Gives 2, expected 0. Given 2, expected 0.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Should set a ISBN set a price. Should be able to change ISBN failed. That's gives a setter. So that's right. It's, that should be right.
Right, this should be correct.
That's right. Let me see. I'm trying to look at mine.
No, this has me stumped. I mean, but keep going through it, but even still. Settings. Look in store. She said, right. I mean, I could write it out if I want, if we needed to. But I'd like to know why this is failing.
Well, I still think you need to do those parentheses outside, and then you got to initialize.
Right, but that would be all right. So the constructor is going to be is the initializer, right? Define the initializer, which I'm looking at that in question number
That's
2.
the second part of it.
Right. So at first I was making sure that I didn't run the wrong test, and it came up. But we have the correct test. It's weird.
Yeah, that's right. You ran the right test.
All right. So hold on 1 second. Let me. Excuse me.
Unless you have to use that instance variable thing where you got to put at, but I don't think that's the case.
Right, because this is just setting the getter, the getter and setter for this one. We're not right. We're not setting an instance yet, I believe. But I mean, we could try it with that too. It doesn't hurt to try. Give me 1 second. Let me see. What am I looking for here? I guess I did. Okay. Reader, writer, and then there's the accessor. Okay, let me try this then. Before I go any further, let me try this real quick.
Yeah, the way I did it, you had it right.
Right, I did, because the accessor is a getter and setter, so we're
Right,
doing both.
right.
But I'm changing this because I want to see. Maurice, that's silly. I want to see if delete backspace. Save. Should be able to change, and price should be able to change. Then we do this. Then we do the constructor after. So what am I missing here? Hold on, let's see something. Okay, so let me switch it up then.
Oh, I know what the problem is. You got sometime with this Cloud9, you got to actually manually save the file.
Oh, I didn't save it just now. Okay, so
Sometimes it's because if it don't, yeah, you had it right. That was right.
okay, so she just saved.
Just save it and then run it.
See
That
what
should
happens.
work.
Yeah, she saved.
Okay.
We do a file save again.
Run it. Scroll up and see if you passed it in the command line window. It should have passed it.
Yeah, no, it's saying should be set to. Let me see something. I want to know what's going on with this. Okay, hold on. This definitely isn't right, but
Yeah,
go
something.
ahead and do. Something's off. So my class booking store is defined.
That's right, because I've been thinking method when I've been putting that parentheses out there.
I hate to scroll on this. This is the weirdest thing. So it's not picking up any of the getter or setters though. So even if we do reader, right? So
Yeah, let's see. Where are you? Let me see the landline. You need to be. I know what it is. You need to be in you in the wrong directory. You need to change the directory. Homework Ruby intro. Then
Homework Ruby intro.
yeah, you got to be in the project directory.
Yeah, we're in the Homework Ruby intro. Look at the
Okay, yeah, okay. All right, that's right. I don't know why. That's right. There's a spec in the right place. Spec 3. You running? Oh yeah, no, you running spec 1. You running the right spec.
This is the weirdest thing to me.
Spec part 3. Oh, up there, that's the wrong spec. They got part 3 up there. Do an up arrow and the see up there is part 3. It's supposed to be part 1 underscore spec.
Right, but we're on part 3.
Oh,
yeah. So actually, let me pull up part require Ruby intro.
That's right. That's right.
So we have describe book and stack, which our class describes book and stack. It should be defined. Expect book and stack not to raise an error. Right, that's our class. So we have our class defined. There's an end there. We're good on that. Okay. Describe getters and setters.
I don't see where there's nothing wrong with that part of it.
I don't either. But you know what I'm going to do? You know what? Let me write the second part. Let me just go ahead and write the second part and then see what happens there. The constructor should accept an ISBN number as a string. In real life, ISBNs can begin with 0 and can include hyphens. And the price of the second argument should raise an argument error. One will be built in sentence if the ISBN number is empty or the price is less than or equal. Include the propagators and setters for these attributes. Run associated tests via constructor. Okay. So listening to this one, slides. ISBN price. Sorry.
How did you configure Cloud9 to do auto completion?
I have it set up in a bash file.
Oh, okay.
Bash script. So when we do Cloud9.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I don't
Yeah.
want.
No, I'm gonna finish this, but yeah, we'll go. I'll run into it later, Michael.
Right.
If I remember correctly. So we have ISBN price. Right. We'll do at ISBN equals ISBN price. So he wanted me to float it, right? so raise argument error.
Well, that should get it fired up. It should create an object at least.
Right, so wants us to raise argument error. 0, yeah, as first argument, price, and second argument should raise argument error, and raise argument. It should raise argument error if ISBN number is the empty string, or if price is less than or equal to. So where am I? Go back here. ISBN is
equal now string.
Is an empty string. Right. If at ISBN empty
Or
price price
less than or equal to 0.
Less than or equal to 0.
Nice.
I hope so. Because I'm not feeling very confident, because that getter and setter looks pretty okay. So I'm feeling not too confident right now. Actually, wrong test. Let me go back real quick. Where are you? Here we are. All right, constructor. See what happens here.
Right on the money.
Okay, so the constructor works, but the getter and setter doesn't work.
Go run the getter and setter again.
Come on. So what happened? What was going on this whole time? Was this just a?
It's got something to do with the file syncing up. It's got something to do with the file saving and being synced up.
Wow. I was gonna knock my head against the wall, thinking that I lost my mind for a minute there. All right, let's put this to bed. Include a method price as string what returns a price of the book formatted with a leading $sign and 2 decimal places. That is, the price of $20 should be formatted as $20. And the price of 30 should be formatted, run associated tests. So include a method price as string. Oh, okay. So right now we have price as float. Okay, so let's do define price string, no arguments, right? Returns the price of a book formatted with a leading $sign and 2 decimal places. There we go. Just talk this through one more time, Michael. My apologies.
No, go ahead.
Include a method price as string that returns the price of the book formatted with the leading dollar sign in 2 decimal places. That is, the price of $20 should format as 20, and the price of 38 should format as 33.80. Let's see something. Interesting. String, form string. Any additional argument to the form string. Now this is a lot. Okay, so hold on. If I could do that.
Format string argument.
Oh, got it. Hold on. Coming up here. Where is it? So, price, format, price. Price. The string is open from font format string.
A format sequence consists of a percent side followed by the flag within the precision.
I'm sorry, Michael, I missed that one.
Right under the CC it says, no, you go back to where you was.
Yep, got you.
Right there, percent, flag, width, and precision. So you should be able to do percent dot 2 and F.
Okay.
It's like the precision is dot F. Let me see, dot 2F.
Okay, so percent send itself be displayed, no argument.
F for floating point.
Okay. Yep, I see that for floating point. Got you. Convert to floating number. Okay, so let's go back here. And what's my argument? Percent. Do to float. Flag was float. How does it look so far, Michael? Let me read the question again. The price formatted with the leading dollar sign and 2 decimal places. I won't need the dollar sign at all?
Yeah, well, the way I did it, I concatenated the dollar sign. In other words, I got the
Ah, give me 1 second. Let me pull up my SAS again. Everything to press, that's what I closed.
what I did is got the dollar sign. I concatenate 2 strings.
Okay. 1 second. Okay, so now that I got Cloud9 back up, my apologies for closing out accidentally.
No problem. Let me see if I think you kicked me. I'm still in there, but I just got to get my screen back up.
Price. Here we go. Wow, came back up. Thank you. It's missing something. Unknown type of string syntax or unexpected end of input expecting end bracket.
I actually used the second form. You want me to drive?
Yeah, please.
Okay, let me see if I can get to share my screen. Okay. Google Hangouts. Where is it? Okay. I started. Okay, share my screen and screen one. You can see it.
Yep, I got it. I'm on it.
Okay, this is what I did.
Okay.
And I just did dollar sign.
Yeah, so we're in lock and step right up through.
And this right here is the percent. And I don't know if it makes difference. Percent. Let's see. R spec part 3. I don't think I ran the right spec.
Right now. Save your file first. And yep. And so the price of string method is still failing. Let's see what it says.
Price of string, maybe.
So the price of a book formatted with the leading dollar sign.
That's how I. Well, I know what I did. This should be. That should make a difference. Oh. I can't see the bottom of the screen. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. I cleared for you.
Okay. R spec. I running the right spec.
The spec is the one right above the one you have copied. The E prices string spec part 3.
Oh, okay. See control. Wonder.
So yeah, that last spec is still failing. I mean that last sorry, let's read this through again. Price is string that returns the price of the book formatted with the leading dollar sign and 2 decimal places.
Yo. What up, son? You checked those here, Rick?
Call him on his phone. His phone number. Call him. See if he's out there. Prices. So what are we missing here? Turn dollar sign plus times price.
That's exactly how I got. I'm gonna rerun mine. See.
Pricing 20. Include a method prices string that returns the price of the book formatted with the leading dollar sign.
I don't know why that wouldn't work.
I mean, we've seen funkier things today. We've seen a getter and setter that we knew was
right.
wasn't working. So, all right. So let me see here. Here's that ISBN empty. Less than or equal to 0. Okay. Define price as string. Let me take a look at this test. Spec book, no. It's not new.
Yeah, because the last part of the test is just gonna put the dog side in front of the regular 20.0.
Right.
Yes, add the two-digit precision.
So let me. Text and format sequence percent flag
Okay. And width, we don't have no width. So
percent flag.
I don't think I got no flag either. And I just got,
Flag is float.
yeah, yeah, that's the flag.
Percent sign itself will be displayed. Okay, so argument numbers for absolute and relative arguments. Numbers cannot be mixed in a field. So digit percent formats. What is this? Oh, okay. See.
Where you looking now? I see an F printf.
Right. This is the float. This is the not the. This is the This is the float on how to call a command. What I'm just filtering through is precision for digits.
Precision for F.
Float is number of digits after decimal point.
That's 8. See, that's 8F.
Right. So
That's what.
I did the two. So,
Right.
right. Okay.
But in the place of the 20, I just got a percent, which would be, I guess that mean anything, whatever it is.
Okay. So we have that 8XO. So, the width is 20. That's what it is. That 20 is the width.
Oh, okay.
Uses a prefix. Decimal point G for stripping. Oh, so you want percent to float. Potatoes. Oh, okay, so let me look at this test real quick. I think I have. Oh, you know what? I might not have run.
And missing.
That's crazy.
Now running.
That is, if that's the case. But you know what? This is what we're here to learn. That's not the right test. Sorry. I had the wrong test saved. Oh, that is the right test. Price of string. Michael?
Yeah, and
Yep, that's what we're missing. End. Control copy. Control V. Okay.
all of them passed.
All of them passes. Let me do one thing here. Control copy. Control V. Okay. And part 1. Control copy. Control V. Nice. Nice. You have did you start the part the second week?
Yeah, I started part 0.
Okay.
But I was just getting ready to start part 1, but we definitely can go over part 0 again because it's kind of, it's system dependent. So
Okay. I have no problem with going over it. What time is it now? I'll take like a quick 15-minute break, grab something to eat, and then actually 30-minute break, grab something to eat, and then jump back on. You just want to jump back on at around 6 o'clock if you're going to be available. We knock it out.
we can do that. You want to say 6? That give us about 45 minutes.
Yeah, give us something to eat, digest a little bit, and then we can come back and swing the hammer at it.
Okay.
All right. Michael, thank you. It was awesome pairing with you, even though that was a funky error we had. I don't know what was going on there.
Well, hey, that's like I said, the moral of that story, every time you do the death, go ahead and put the ends right after the statement.
Oh, yeah. No, that is definite. I'm not worried. But the one, yeah, I definitely, that one, 100%, I should have automatically credited the beginning and end of the method. That just makes life so much easier once you complete it.
Right, right.
The attribute, the getter setter, that error was mind-boggling to me.
Right. Right. Yeah, it does kick your confidence when you know you got it right, and then it's given failure.
Yeah, but it's part of the experience. Part of the experience.
Okay.
All right,
well,
my friend.
Get back at 6.
Yep. See you at 6 o'clock. Thank you.
All right, Mama.